My name is Pascal, one of the area managers of Timesavers, and I want to show you the 42RB range of our machines. It's the top model in our range of machines, applicable for many different applications and materials. And today I want to show you a slack part, functional of the machine, having hammerhead, white belt and rotating brush. And I just want to show you how the machine works, briefly. We have a part 10 millimeters thick. It can all be set in the HMI. Of course, I've set it already, 10 millimeter. Just start the transport, start your heads. My colleague will start the dust extraction. Speed 1 meter per minute. You can have a look at the process. The part is visible going underneath the hammerhead first. Actually, you can hear it. Most of the slack is cut off. Followed by the grinding belt. As you can see, we have a wide diameter of contact roller. You can hear it in the next process. And the next step, rotating brush. The part will be visible soon. This is meant for edge rounding over the complete surface. Rotating brushes, clockwise, anti-clockwise, 4 shafts, covering the full table. So the machine, of course, can be loaded full with the same material in order to reach your production capacity. Optional, the machine can be equipped with a conveyor belt cleaning brush, as a lot of dust and slack parts will remain. It will be collected by this device, and the conveyor belt can be cleaned by the cleaning brush. This is an example of a slack part being deburred and edge rounded in one single pass. If you need a bigger edge rounding, the transport speed should be lowered for an even better result. Thank you.